In this video, I'm going to now show you how you can start adding content to those pages. Okay, so in the previous video, I showed you how to actually make those pages and make them appear up in your menu. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to start adding some content into this page. Okay, so how you do that is you go back to the WordPress dashboard. Okay, and when you're inside here, we've got our menu down here. Just on that pages button, you just click all pages. Okay, so you can either from here you can either add a new page or all pages. Okay, so let's just, because we've already created it, click all pages. That's going to take us through to the next page here where all our pages are. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down, I'm going to find that page we just made, just click on that one, and that's going to take us through to this page here. Okay, it's quite similar to like a word processing sort of format. So you pretty much, you can just type away in here. Okay, and you've got you can use bold, you can add photos, you can add, you can center your text, you can put quotations, numbers, bullets, all that kind of stuff, hyperlinks, everything you can do inside of this little page here. Okay, so what I'm going to do is just as a little example, what we'll do is we'll go over here. I'll just I'll grab some text just off here so you can see how easy it is. I'm just going to just copy this just so you can have a little see of how simple it is to use. I'm just going to copy that, go back to here and just paste that in here. Okay, I'm just going to change this to, alrighty, so obviously this is going to be where you're going to be writing your text. Okay, so you can have different sort of sizings of your writing as well, so you can change between these sizes here. I'd recommend, if you've got something that you want to make stand out like a title, you can use that H1 or heading 1. Okay, or if you've got something a little bit more important to say throughout your post, like maybe it's a new paragraph, you can do maybe a heading 2 or a heading 3. It's up to you. Just makes it a little bit bigger on the page, so it looks something like that. That's a H3 text, and that's a H2 text up here. Okay, and that's H1 up the top. Alrighty, so that's just a brief rundown of of your text styling. Okay, from here, all we've got to do is we just keep writing away in here, just like you would normally on a Word document. Okay, if you want to create links and so forth, so say if you've got another post you want to link to, all you need to do is just highlight what you want to get linked, and you come up here and you're going to click insert or edit link. And from here you can just put your links in here. So that's just a little example. I'm just gonna copy this and I'm just gonna paste this, and you can have this open up into a new window. Okay, so just as an example we'll just do that. Okay, so that's now a link. Alrighty, so I might put a little heading here just so you guys can see the breakdown of how it works. Result get updates for the blog. Okay, so something like that. Alright, so just a brief example to show you. We can make this use anything you want here, insert a photo, up to you. Whatever you would need to do, you can do that here. What we can do here, just to see how your page is actually looking, is you can come over here and you can click preview changes. Okay, that's going to open up another page here, and it's going to show what we've just done right here. Okay, and you can see now all my contents here and my little link that I created. Okay, so if I'm reading through my content and you've linked something up, that's straight away I can click that and that's going to open up into another page. Okay, so it's pretty straightforward how to start adding your own content to those pages. Alrighty, so that's just a brief overview of how you can do that. A few other things you can do is you can add in opt-in forms into your amongst your content. Okay, so that's quite easily done as well. And if you do have thesis, you can add boxes in here, or you can add buttons, all that kind of stuff. Okay, so in future videos I'll show you how to do that, but just for now, just the basic stuff, start adding your content into those pages. So coming up in the next few videos, we'll start expanding on that, and we can start looking at things like the sidebar and adding your own posts.